In this lecture, you will learn how to do the page speed test the correct way. Normally, when you do the page speed test in just the new tab, then Google PageSpeed Insights or tools.pingdom.com might load this admin bar too. So this may act as some extra CSS and JavaScript files. Not only that, we have chosen not to load the cache files for the known users in W3 Total Cache settings. So altogether, the PageSpeed Insights might not be loading the cached versions of your website. To avoid that, go to Incognito window, open any page speed test tool or page loading time test tool and then run the test. Or if you want to just run the page speed insights tool, the two within your website, go to W3 Total Cache miscellaneous settings and make sure you have entered the page speed API key. Then come to W3 Total Cache dashboard, scroll down and you can run the page speed report here. At any time you can refresh the analysis or you can view all the results here. Now let me do a page speed test by going to this new incognito window. You could have noticed that every time I run the page speed test, the tab will go dark like this, or you could notice a hat and a spectacle. This denotes incognito window. So let me go to PageSpeed Insights and run the test. See, as said in the previous lecture, once I left my website to rest for about 7 to 8 minutes, the response time has got improved and the score has got to 100 out of 100. In the same way, when you test with tools.pingdom.com, you need to open this in a new incognito window and do the page loading time test. If you want, you can change the locations to any of these 4 locations and check the speed of your website at different locations such as USA, Australia and Sweden. Coming to web page test, after entering your URL, come to advanced settings and check first view and repeat view. After that, click on start test. Only this will give you the repeat view load time of your website. But before doing the page speed test, every time you need to clear the cache, that is the auto optimize and W3 total cache. After clearing both these caches, go to your website, refresh it once. This is needed to preload the cache of your home page. Only after this, you need to open the incognito window and run the page speed insights test or the page loading time test with Pingdom tools or web page test. In the next lecture, we are going to see a minor modification to our page speed technique 1B so that we can call it as page speed technique 1C. This technique is intended for those who could not install W3 Total Cache plugin in their websites because some hosting providers wantedly restrict the installation of W3 Total Cache plugin. For them, this page speed technique 1C will serve as an alternative. So let's see the page speed technique 1C in the next lecture.